Friendship Trail in Ontario. Just left Fort Erie and heading past Crystal Beach and along Lake Erie. And there's a picture of the trail. It's May 9th, beautiful afternoon in Michigan. Approaching North Bradley, Michigan, Coleman, and then Clare. Tomorrow evening I hope to be in Ludington, which is a place to catch a ferry across Lake Michigan, and then I'll be in Wisconsin. Very exciting. From Milwaukee to Madison, or close to Madison today, I hope. A little bit of rain, not too bad. Mostly on asphalt today. They've just switched over to dirt paths. On Highway 46, you hear that rudder? That's the cutouts on the highway and the shoulder. So no shoulder to bike on for 122 miles. Kind of a drag, but attached a mirror onto the helmet so I can see the big rigs coming. I think you could hear the wind. It's relentless, but it's helping me keep cool, but it's not on my back. That would be nice. Another 20 miles to go to get to Hazleton. As you can hear, it's really heavy wind. I've got about 10 miles and then I turn and I get the wind in my favor, so we're really slow going right now, but gotta keep going. That was 4 hours of climbing to get to the top of Sherman Pass. Whew. Anyways, I'm tired, but I'm looking forward to the downhill. But yeah, the pass has earned its reputation. That was tough. Anyways, looking forward to getting into Republic tonight. Okay, here we are. 5,477 feet in elevation, top of Washington Pass. Oh, feels good. I'm so wet, sweaty, but I also know that on the way down there, it's a roller coaster. It's up and down, so it's not over. But it feels good to get to the top. Heading into Skagit Valley. So excited. Awesome.